Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Nutan Gupta, sending the video of the storage and memory devices chapter. First we will discuss fill in the blanks. The data which we put into the computer and processed by the CPU, Central Processing Unit. Now second one is the processed data is known as information. Now third one is the information in the computer is stored in the form of binary digits. Now fourth one, a flash drive is popularly known as pen drive. Wow. Now question number 5, the information stored in RAM, random access memory, is lost when the power goes off. Very good. Now we will discuss next exercise, true and false. RAM stands for random access memory. False. Second is 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 gigabyte. False. A set of characters like alphabets, digits or special characters that represent facts or figure is known as data. It's true. Now 4.1. It is easier and faster to access data from external memory. It is also true. Now fifth one is internal memory stores information for a longer period. False. Now we will discuss application based question. Aryan could not finish his project work in the class, so he wants to carry the soft copy of the project to his house to finish it. Which device will you suggest him to copy his work? आर्यन अपना प्रोजेक्ट वर्क स्कूल में पूरा नहीं कर पाया, क्लास में पूरा नहीं कर सका, इसलिए वो उसकी सॉफ्ट कॉपी प्रोजेक्ट बनाने के लिए घर पर ले गया. तो कौन सी डिवाइस उसको सजेस्ट करनी चाहिए, वो किस में ले जाए कि अपना वर्क घर पर कर सके? यस, पेन ड्राइव. ओके. नाउ सेकेंड वैल्यू बेस्ड को एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. राघव वांट्स टू कॉपी 3 movies on the disk from his friend as he wants to watch them in his place. Which storage device will you suggest him to copy all the movies? राघव को 3 मूवीज़ अपने फ्रेंड्स के पास से उसने ली और अपने पास स्टोर कर ली, अपने घर जहाँ पर वो रहता है वहाँ पर देखेगा आराम से. तो कौन से स्टोरेज डिवाइस को यूज़ करेगा उन मूवीज़ को कॉपी करने के लिए? इट कैन बी DVD और ब्लू-रे डिस्क. Okay, now we will discuss multiple choice questions. The instruction stored in dash cannot be changed but can only be read. RAM, ROM, hard disk. Of course, ROM. Now second question. Name the CD on which data can be erased or rewritten and rewritten many times. CD-RW. Now question number 3. A flash drive can store up to dash of data. 4 TB, 2 TB, 1 TB. Yes, 2 TB. Internal memory is also known as main memory, primary memory, both AB. Both AB. Now question number 5. The data stored in the computer memory is measured in bytes, points and pixels. Bytes. Which storage devices has the highest storage capacity? CD, pen drive, hard disk. Hard disk. Match the following. External memory is secondary memory. Blu-ray disc 128 GB. DVD 4.7 to 17 GB. And the RAM is information stored temporarily. Now answer the following question. You have to complete in language copy. Write a short note on how data is stored in a computer. This is given in page number 7. A computer can understand only 2 states, on represented by 1 and off represented by 0. These 2 digits 0 and 1 are called binary digits or bits. Data is stored in the computer memory in the form of bits. Now the second question is, Differentiate between internal and external memory. Internal memory is also called the primary memory or main memory. It is the built-in memory designed to store data and instruction while the computer is working. Now the external memory. External memory is also called secondary memory. It is a device that is used to store information for a longer period. Now question number 3. Write the short note features of ROM. Yes. It is given in the heading of ROM. Page number 8. The instruction stored in ROM can only be read, cannot be changed. It retains the stored information even when the power is switched off. ROM stores a large amount of data as compared to RAM. Now question number 4. What is the multimedia card? It is given in the end of the chapter, page number 10. A memory multimedia card is a small in size, approximately the size of the postage stamp. Multimedia cards are available in various storage capacities ranging up to 512 GB. Now the last question is, what is the flash drive? Explain briefly. Flash drive, it is popularly known as pen drive and the most popular data backup device. It is a plug and play device and can be connected to the USB universal serial bus port. It is a small lightweight and removable drive. It is used for copying and moving data from one computer to another. So you have to complete these question answers in your copy and you have to complete the question bank also. Thank you.